Lexus is stepping into a new creative direction at Milan Design Week 2026 with an installation that feels more like an experience than a display. Built around the Lexus LS Concept, this project invites visitors to rethink what space really means in a modern luxury lifestyle. It is not just about the physical environment, but how movement, comfort, and personal identity come together in a seamless way. The installation reflects how mobility is evolving beyond simple transportation. Today, cars are becoming extensions of daily life, blending work, relaxation, and travel into one continuous experience. Lexus uses this idea to explore how future vehicles could redefine personal space, offering something more meaningful and adaptable. Alongside this main installation, Lexus is also showcasing 4 collaborative works created through its Discover Together initiative. This program brings together emerging designers and Lexus creators to interpret the brand's vision through fresh perspectives. Each piece uses the Lexus LS concept as a shared inspiration, but the results feel unique and deeply personal. Set in Milan's creative Tortona district from April 21 to 26, the showcase highlights how design, technology, and human emotion can come together. It is a glimpse into a future where mobility is no longer just about getting somewhere, but about how you feel along the way.